Ever had homegrown tomatoes going soft before you can use them? Here's how to freeze fresh tomatoes for cooking so you never waste a crop. Freezing tomatoes is a simple way to preserve their flavor and texture for sauces, soups, and stews. Start by rinsing ripe tomatoes under cold water, then pat them dry with a clean towel. Cut out the core and slice a small cross on the base of each tomato. Drop them into boiling water for 30 seconds. Then immediately transfer to a bowl of ice water. This makes the skins slip off easily without cooking the flesh. You can freeze them whole, chopped, or pureed. Just pack them into Ziploc bags or airtight containers, squeezing out as much air as possible to prevent freezer burn. Label each pack with the date. Lay bags flat in the freezer so they stack neatly and save space. Remember, tomatoes will be softer once thawed, so they're best used in cooked dishes rather than fresh salads. A common mistake is skipping the skinning step. It saves freezer space and avoids tough bits in your meals. By freezing your surplus tomatoes this way, you'll have the taste of summer ready for winter dinners. The key takeaway, a little prep now, means homegrown flavor all year round.